Mastering the art of paraphrasing and summarizing in English conversations. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of maintaining a conversation: paraphrasing and summarizing. It's more than just rewording someone else's statement. It's a key conversation strategy to show understanding, maintain engagement, and further the conversation. Paraphrasing is when we restate what someone else has said in our own words, while keeping the original meaning. This doesn't mean changing a word here and there, but truly understanding the message and then expressing it in a new way. Summarizing, on the other hand, is when we condense the main ideas of what someone else has said into a shorter version, again in our own words. To illustrate this, let's consider an example. If a friend says, "I've been working on this project for a week, and it's really stressing me out. I can't find the right data, and I'm worried about meeting the deadline," you could paraphrase it as, "You're feeling overwhelmed because you're struggling to find the necessary data for your project and you're concerned about completing it on time." Paraphrasing and summarizing are not only important to show you understand what the other person is saying, but they also play a vital role in building connection and engagement in conversations. When you paraphrase or summarize someone's statements, you are showing that you are actively listening, valuing their input, and encouraging further dialogue. Paraphrasing and summarizing are skills that can be developed with practice. Here are a few steps to get you started. 1. Listen carefully. Understand the speaker's point before you attempt to paraphrase or summarize. 2. Think before you speak. Formulate the message in your mind in your own words before you voice it out. 3. Check for understanding. After paraphrasing or summarizing, you can ask the speaker if you've captured their point accurately. An example of paraphrasing and summarizing might be: original statement. "I had to take 3 different buses to get here, and I almost missed the last one. It was quite an ordeal." Paraphrase: "You had a challenging journey getting here, having to catch 3 buses and almost missing the last one." Summary: "You had a difficult time commuting here." That's it for today's lesson on paraphrasing and summarizing. We hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, like any other skill, this requires practice. So keep practicing, keep engaging in conversations, and you'll find yourself getting better at it. Thank you for watching and happy learning. See you in our next video.